Hello, I'm Michelle Cummings. I'm the Chief Creative Officer and co-founder of Personify Leadership. Now, I designed a lot of the experiential activities that go into the Personify Leadership program. And if you've ever wondered, why would I choose Personify over a lot of the other leadership development programs that are out there? And one of the things that set our program apart from the other programs that are out there is our experiential activity component. So in our program, we use 5 methods of delivery. We use current and relevant case studies. So we find examples of really great leadership out there in the real world, and we put those into the case studies that really complement the material that we're teaching in that particular module. We also use video demonstration, which we follow Manny the manager, this everyday leader that everybody can relate to throughout the program. And sometimes we see Manny get it really right, and sometimes we see Manny get it really wrong. But we use some really good examples of everyday leadership from every day and put those into our videos. We also utilize group discussion. So we leverage the strengths and gifts of the leaders that are in the room during the program and really get people to tap into their strengths and really bounce great ideas off of one another through the group discussions. We also allow a good amount of time for personal reflection. We recognize that not everybody is an external processor and that you need a little bit of time to stop and sit and think and really apply what you're learning in the class back to your everyday personal leadership. And then last but not least is the experiential component. Now, the experiential activities are designed with the intent to surface behaviors that we're about to teach skills on. So most of the activities that we do start out each one of the modules. And we do that intentionally to surface the behaviors that we're about to go in the classroom and teach skills around. Now, the ancient philosopher Plato was once quoted as saying, "I can learn more about a person in an hour of play than a lifetime of conversation." And I completely believe that to be true. When people are at play, they are their true selves. And so we almost catch people in their own behaviors because they're just playing a game or doing this activity very organically. And then as soon as it's over, then we debrief the experience. We talk about what just happened, why is that important, and how does this relate back to leadership and everyday life? And more times than not, people are like, oh my gosh, they have this amazing aha moment because they've literally just caught themselves in their own behavior. This behavior just surfaced. They're like, oh my gosh, that's right. And I have to manage that or deal with that every single day. And then we go back in the classroom and then we teach skills around how to manage that either in the people that you lead or in yourself as a leader. So if you're curious and you want to check out more, go to www.personifyleadership.com and check out when our next open enrollment or certification training is, and hopefully in a city near you.